YouTube, what's good? Make sure you click the like and subscribe button. dbnebmusic.com. Simple and plain. Freshwater line inside a sink that didn't have it. I drilled this. I got the spout. That's what this looks like. We're going to get straight to the point. Okay, these are 3/8 bolts. Regular water washer lines. Water washer line. What I did was got a specialized valve here so I could control it, because they have them other hoses with the stupid little nipples. And I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to run a water line, fresh water. And I had the GE water filter. Anyway, 17 millimeter screw. Okay, when you buy the Danko, I'm really not impressed with it. This is smaller. This is 3/8 right here. This is 3/8. This is 1/2 or a little less than. It's smaller. This is smaller than this. So you couldn't really hook this up to this without getting the Danko extended device. Okay, once I got the Danko extended device, I then discovered that this was smaller than this one still. Okay, so now I had to get an adapter, which is this right here. So I got an adapter to make this, whatever number it is, it's less than, I think it's a half, fit into a 3/8. That's what it was, okay? So then I added my own little cutoff water, because this right here always seems to drip water, no matter how you do it, okay? So I put that together. This is a 1 1/8 hole saw. The sink didn't have a hole in it, so I put my own hole in it, okay? Of course, this is the apparatus that is ran through. We're going to skim right through it, okay? All you need is a 10-inch to hold it down to help you screw. Nice little plumber's wrench. There's 1 1/8 drill, this. The real key part right here now is to get up under here, okay? As you notice, see if I can make it better for you. What I did right there was ran it off a normal water line. No special hookups to the sink like some of them want you to do. I didn't feel like getting all that. I wanted to just run water into a filter system. So I put that there. Okay, one is a washer line. I got the Y split, so one goes to the washer. This is the main line right here. This is the main line. That's the split coming out of the cold water line right there. That wire, that hose right there coming all the way up in there goes into the GE. Okay, if you want to look at how the GE water filter system works, you can do it on your own time. This is just a quick rundown. Of course, these bolts up here, these bolts right here, are 1/8 or 3/8. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Here, that's what it's there. 3/8. This is a natural hookup. Nice device. Put charcoal filters in there. They have GE special charcoal filters. Tell them NEB sent you. Okay, that's my hot water line. That runs off that. So everything is running basically out of the sink. Out of the sink. Normal, what they call the 3/8 water hose cap, like that, that you use for washing machine. Ran it off there, ran it through there, put it up in there. Okay, come up in here. Okay, put that there. All right, drilled it into the wall. Of course, you can see right there where the hole is drilled. As you come up, the hose is coming out of here. Okay, this is 3/8 water line, like you would use for a washing machine or for your fridge or whatever. Then you come in here. This is the only gadget that I did, because like I said, this leaks so much sometimes, even though you put it on perfect. Right now it's not leaking, okay? This right here is the special harness unit that they give you. This comes with this. This is the special adapter. No real big deal. I would advise you can even skip the adapter, all right, because this is smaller than this one. This is a half. This is 3/8. So these are the adapter pieces I had to get, okay? Just that right there. Okay, put that there. Right there. This is the drill piece. Big shout out to Makita. They also got the black one with the little flying one. It's 1 1/8. Okay, that's all the sizes. 1 1/8. See, 1 1/8. Okay, this wrench, 17 or 3/8 in comparison, and a slide pipe wrench. That's it. And when I turn it on, this is the end result. See that? I made the holes long enough that I can even spray over there. Bang. Let's put it there. Okay, so I go bring my plants and hit my plants long enough. Everything. I can actually store water, and it's good to drink. Very good to drink. Little quick little taste right here. Just put it here. Okay, that's it. Everything is done. Enjoy. Please click the like button. Please subscribe. dbnebmusic.com. Okay, and enjoy it. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Real quick and fast. No music, no gimmicks, no nothing. Make sure you click the subscribe button.